Hi, this is Ms. Villaseñor, and we are going to go over how to create a basic Google site. And what this is going to be, it's going to be your student portfolio, which means this is where you're going to be displaying your student work, evidence of the standard. So it's basically a website that's going to be shared between you and the teacher and your parent. And the first thing you want to do is go into Google, make sure that you are signed in. And then you're going to click on here and look under Google Apps and look for Google Sites. If you don't see it, you could always click on more until you find it. Then go ahead and click on Google Sites. And then you want to click on Create. Let's go under Browse the Gallery for more, which means that we can look at templates, and there's some that have already been created and they let you copy it and just make it your own and change it up. So we go under schools and education and go down to ePortfolio template and click on gadget from template directory, and then click on the top right, use template, and you will see in red ePortfolio template. Name your site, so go ahead and um, write your name here. That'll be the name of your site. Select a theme. This is where you can customize it and make it your own. And I like sunset, so I'll go ahead and choose that one. There's also more options, but you don't have to worry about that. The site categories or site description. Go ahead and click on create. Oh, let me change this. It's not going to let me because I already created one with that name. Let's try that now. But you don't need to change anything. You should be good. If not, let me know. Okay, let's try one more here. Okay, it should be popping up. Okay, so here's the basic page, and you can see your name should be here, and then we have these different tabs which are called pages within your website. So the first one, go ahead and change, oh, you have to click on the edit page, which looks like a little pencil every time you want to make changes. So why don't you go ahead and change it to all about me, and this is where you can post things about you, your picture. Then click save. Then you click on the next tab here and then click on edit, and you're going to write or type LA/SS, that means language arts slash social studies, trimester 1, and then click save. Go on to the next tab, and this time don't forget edit, and we're going to type math T1 for trimester 1. Save. And the next one, we're going to again click on the next tab, edit button. We're going to do the changes for the second trimester. So LA/SST2. Save. Next one, edit, math, T2, and this extra stuff here you can just delete. We will go over in class what the rest of the information will list, but this is just the basics on how to get started. Click save. Once you do that, then you need it also for the third trimester, for language arts and math. Now you're going to have, I'll let you do that on your own, but you are going to have these 3 extra pages that you don't need. So when you click on that, In order to take that away, you're going to go under more actions and you click on delete page. It will not delete the whole website. It will just delete the page from your website. So click delete, and we're going to do the same for artifact 5. Go to more actions, delete page, and then the same for artifact 6. Okay, so then you're going to go to you're going to go back to more actions and go under manage site. So we can make sure if you go under on the left here, deleted items, just click on these here, these 3, and just click delete permanently. Say yes, we don't need them. Okay, so then you click on your name here and then it goes back to your site. And then you should see those extra pages being gone. Okay, so you go back to all about me and you can describe yourself, add your picture. I'll go ahead and show you what I've created, and it should look something like this. This is the one I created earlier. So as you can see, all about me, my basic information, I added a picture of myself. Then you should have the tabs that we went over: language arts social studies trimester 1, math trimester 1, it's the second trimester and third trimester. Okay, so when you click on these, they should be blank for now. And then you can, we'll go over that later on. But today, the basic thing you want to do is just give a few facts about yourself, make it interesting. Now, the last step for your creation is you have to make sure that you share the website with your teacher. It's very important you share this so we can attach comments, we can attach your grades. So in order to do that, you click on share. I should have this page, and then you're going to click on invite people, and you type your teacher's name, and if I'm your teacher for this, you will type svillasenor@rusdlearns.net. Make sure it's that you give us permission to edit. Don't just put view, because then we're not able to do anything. We can't go in your website and attach the grades or any comments. So make sure the teacher can also it's also able to edit. And then once you have that, then you just click send once you add that, and that is the last step to creating your website. So you can also go under Google and get videos if you want to customize it and actually attach a different picture than what Google offers. There's more that you can do to really personalize it. I just gave you the basics, but you can of course do more. If you want like a Dodgers background, or if you a special character or anything like that, there's other ways to doing it, and you can also look through Google to find that. Okay, thank you.